Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make French toast using homemade bread. So let's get started. So in order to make French toast, of course you're going to need bread. You can buy it ready-made, or I've got a video showing how to make challah bread and brioche bread, and I'll put a link to both of them in the description box. And I even have a video on making cinnamon swirl bread, and I'll put that in the description box too. Whatever bread you choose to use, just cut it into thick slices. And it's best if your bread is stale, because it will absorb the custard much better. If your bread is not already stale, you can slice it up the night before and then leave it on the counter overnight, and then it will be stale by the next morning. Or another way to do it is to put it into the oven preheated at 200 degrees for about 10 minutes. So to make the French toast custards, this recipe is enough for about 8 slices of bread, so if you have a lot of bread, feel free to double the recipe. So into a medium bowl, add in the eggs, whole milk, and salt. And the following ingredients are totally optional: sugar, vanilla extract, and cinnamon. And just whisk them together until they're well combined. And pour the mixture into some sort of shallow dish. I'm just using a pie pan. And heat a skillet on the stove over a medium heat until it's hot. Then dip each slice of bread into the custard mixture, letting them soak for at least 30 seconds on each side. You'll know the pan is hot enough when you sprinkle a little water on it. If it evaporates immediately, it's ready. So when it is ready, coat the pan in butter. And add each slice of bread into the pan and heat it for about a minute or two on each side until it becomes a nice golden brown color on the bottom. Then once they're ready, remove them from the pan, and I like to place them on a cooling rack rather than a plate so the steam doesn't get trapped underneath, making the bottom soggy. And just repeat the process until all the bread is used up. And you can serve it however you like. I'm adding some sliced strawberries, sliced bananas, whipped cream, and maple syrup. And that's how to make homemade French toast. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.